Well, here we are with part two. We have this lovely little roll egg of dog fur all ready to spin. Now, because the staple of this is so small and it's not quite as springy as wool would be, it's going to be a little bit harder, a little bit more work to get it to spin together, but I'm sure we can get this happen. Let's get things sorted out. Get the head or the lead fed in. There we go. Feed a little bit of the fur in and hold it back. And it's spinning time. Actually, this is spinning together quite nicely. You can see it's spinning itself together and getting drawn up onto the spindle. You can just sort of start to see that it's collecting on the bobbin or on the spindle or the spindle itself. It actually worked out quite nice today. It's quite a bit cooler today, sitting on my balcony. A little bit of a breeze. Some bird is chirping its heart out beside me somewhere, being a bit on the annoying side, but what can you do, right? So let's just move this over a bit here. You can see here where we're actually getting a nice little yarn, a single ply yarn. Now you can see here, actually the energy on this is pretty good. I managed to slow it. I'm spinning it a lot slower than I would for something else, but you can see there, maybe you can't. Oh, there we go. It's twisting on its back on itself kind of nicely. So that energy will do really nicely when it comes time to ply it. And here we go. I'm going to keep on spinning. In the words of Dory, the fish, just keep spinning, just keep spinning. Dory was kind of a flaky fish. But there we are. I have a whole bag full of fur that has been carded. And let's just see how this goes. When I finish up this spindle, I will fill up another one, and then the next video will be me plying, making a 2-ply yarn. That's all for now. We'll see you soon.